In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a template in Webflow. So start by opening up a design and do all the necessary modifications and designing that you want for your template. So it could be a landing page, portfolio, or blog structure. And make sure that you focus on building clean sections like hero, features, and footer. And once done, head over to your Webflow dashboard and look for your site that you'd like to turn as a template. Then next is click on the three dot icon beside its name, then click on settings. And here inside general settings, just scroll down until you get to shared workspace template section. And here all you have to do is press the make template button. Add a name for your template, then press confirm. And once enabled, your project is now marked as a template ready project. This means it's no longer just a regular website, it's now structured so it can potentially be shared, duplicated, or submitted to the Webflow marketplace. But to clarify, enabling your template mode doesn't automatically publish or list your template. It just prepares your project and you'll still need to manually submit it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!